All right. Hello, class. Today is Monday, September 13th, 2021. Let's continue with what we left off with last time. Last time we left off on page 77. I asked you guys to solve this for homework. These two that we made our own word problem. So, it says, what is the total cost of the rice cooker and the water heater? So we had to solve 589 plus 349. Right? So 589 plus 349. 9 plus 9, 18. Carry the 1. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. Carry over the 1. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 938 baht. Next, we have, how much money will I have left after buying the rice cooker? We start with 1,000 baht, and the rice cooker costs 349 baht. So 1,000 minus 349. 1,000 minus 349. We have to borrow. This becomes 9, 9. This becomes a 10. 10 minus 9, 1. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 3, 6. I'm getting 651. 651 baht. All right, now we're finished with page 77. We can move on. Next on page 78. So, skill advancement activity. Write plus or minus between numbers to make the statement true. Write plus or minus to make the between numbers to make the statement true. Right? True is the same meaning as correct, right? So we have to write plus or minus. 15 plus or minus 10 blank 5 equals 14. So in this case, we would do 15 minus 10. 15 minus 10 is 5. 5 plus 9 is 14. All right? So 12, 10, 7 equals 29. We can't do minus because it'd be too small. We have to do plus. Plus, right? 12 plus 10 is 22. 22 plus 7 is 29. Okay. You're going to try the rest for homework. These are pretty easy. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Write greater than or less than or equal to make the statement true. Right? This part doesn't matter. Discuss your work with a partner. Do not calculate. So which one is bigger? Which one is smaller? So first one we have 58 plus 24. That we see we have 1 missing from 25. Just 1, right? And then we have 1 off here. So these should be the same. 57 plus 25 should be the same as 58 plus 24 because 25, 24. Only 1, right? 57, 58. Only 1 difference, so it's the same. This would be equals to. Right? Next one we can see 39 plus 56. 40 plus 60. Right? 40 plus 60. This is bigger because we have a 40. Here we have a 60. So we're going to write 40 plus 60 is greater than. 34 minus 18, 34 minus 20. Right? Same. But this one is more because we're subtracting. So 34 minus 20 is 14. 34. So this one should be bigger because we're subtracting less. Right, next one. 100 minus 60. 120 minus 80. Right? So this should be the same because we move over 20 to 80. Right? It's the same. We basically moved, add a 20 here, add a 20 here, right? Plus 20, plus 20, right? We end up getting the same. So it's the same if we think about it like that. All right, fill each block with a number 1 to 11. No number is used more than once. Sum of each straight line is always 18. So we're always going to add up. This is going to add up to 18, right? 18, 18, 18, 18, right? So let's think about it. Let's start with 1, right? 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 11 is 18, right? And we have plus, right? All right. 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 plus 10 is equal to 18, right? Sum of each straight line is always 18. Next we have 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. All right, next number, 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. All right. Last one we have is 5. 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 plus 7 is equal to 18. All right, these are the lines, right? We have to think about these, right? Line like that, line like that, line like that, line like that, line like that. These all add up to 18. We can only use each number once. Fill each block with number from 1 to 11. All right, page 79, a word problem. Read carefully and answer the questions. Nathan lived in the countryside, right? Countryside, right? Not the city. His house was quite far away from the market, where he had to make frequent visits. Frequent visits. Frequent visits. Frequent means many, a lot, right? He has to go many, many times. Normally, he would have to walk to the market. He then had an idea to ride a bike to the market instead. So he asked his parents to buy him a bike. His parents, wishing to teach him self-sufficiency by himself, right? Live by himself, right? So you don't need anyone, right? You don't need to ask your mom and dad for money. Asked him to save up money for his own bike. They would give him the same amount of money that he saved up. So the amount he saved up was doubled, right? Doubled. Another word, doubled. Double times 2. All right, doubled. So let's highlight a few things. saved up was doubled. So he would save up. They would give him the same amount of money that he saved up. So the amount he saved up was doubled. Here's the record of his savings. Month 1, 95 baht. Month 2, 128 baht. Month 3, 82 baht. Month 4, 100 baht. Month 5, 130 baht. Month 6, 92 baht. Month 7, 73 baht. If the bike that Nathan wanted to buy cost 1,300 baht, did he have enough money at the end of 7 months? Why? All right, he wants to buy a bike that costs 1,300 baht. Right? So, which one would it be? Nathan had enough money because he had blank baht in his bank. Nathan did not have enough money because he only had blank baht, right? So this is how much he saved up. Remember, everything is doubled. So we have to times 2, 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 right? Or we can add everything up and times 2, right? So we're going to add everything up. We're going to add everything up. All right, let's add everything up. Okay. Five plus 8 is 13. 13 plus 2 is 15. 15 again, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. 17 plus 3, 20. All right. 2 plus 9, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. 13 plus 8, 21. 21 plus 3, 24. 24 plus 9, 33. 33 plus 7, 44. 40, sorry. Carry over the 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Plus 1, 6. Plus 1, 7. So he has 700 baht. Right? Nathan has 700 baht. But everything is doubled, remember? Everything is doubled. So times 2, because his parents give him double the money, right? So we have to do 700 plus another 700. Or we can do times 2. But let's do plus another 700 because it's just easier at this point. Because we don't have to do anything crazy. So parents 700 baht. So, did he have enough? Nathan has 1,400 baht. Nathan did have enough money. Correct. He did have enough money. So we're going to put a check here because he had 1,400 baht. All right. Here it says, name some of the consequences of Nathan's saving money. Nathan's saving money. I don't think this is a question we can ask because I don't think it's a good way they asked it. So I don't think we're going to do this because this is not good, right? This is not consequences, right? This should not be consequences. All right, let's cross that out. We should write benefits. All right, consequences means something bad, right? Why it means something bad that will happen. but we want to say name some of the benefits, right? So we can just say he learned to be self-sufficient. He learned how to do things himself. He doesn't need his parents. Right? He learned to be self-sufficient. You learn to be self-sufficient. Right? This was the highlight. Right? This part. His parents wishing to teach him self-sufficiency. Live by himself, learn things himself, learn how to save money, learn how to do it himself. So he learned how to be self-sufficient. All right, we're going to write benefits. We're not going to write consequences. Consequences is something bad. All right, self-evaluation. I think you guys can do this for homework. Homework, 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 homework. We'll do the rest tomorrow. I want to do these in person because these are word problems and we should do it together. All right, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Let's keep this for now since we finished 1, 2, 3, a bit more. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Make sure you guys finish the homework, and we're going to do more word problems tomorrow. We're going to also make more word problems tomorrow, and we're also going to solve one more word problem. And we're going to be done with this chapter after we do a little bit of a challenge. And then we're going to start with multiplication. All right, have a good day. I'll see you guys tomorrow.